Greetings, students. Welcome to week 10. You are almost through the term. You should be feeling pretty good about yourselves right now. I'm quite pleased with how everybody's doing. So well done, guys. Well done. All right, so this week, week 10, it is our last week with our textbook. Yay! Next week's more review, summary, that kind of thing, because you have your final and all of that. So this week, I would like for you to watch your overview video, as always. You know what's going on. Read chapter 18. That will be the last textbook chapter we are reading this term. So congrats. Yay. You are done with this textbook. Take your chapter 18 quiz as always. We have 3 keywords and concepts videos this week. That's your last of the keywords and concepts videos too. Isn't that exciting? Yay. And then once you're done with that, I know I say this every week. I know I say every week that I'm excited about this week, but that's because I'm excited about almost every week. I hate to break it to you guys, but your professor's a nerd. I know it's terrible. We're watching a really interesting documentary this week called The Divide: What Happens When the Rich Get Richer, about wealth inequality in this country and in Britain. Now, in order to understand that documentary, you do need a little background on 80s economic policy, which I know sounds fascinating, and it's not my favorite thing either, but you do need the information. So in the intro video for the documentary, I always do an intro video. It's actually like a little mini lecture in the intro video. It's like the same length it normally is. I think it's like 2 or 3 slides. You will not be tested on that. Don't worry about that kind of thing. It's just so that you can understand what is in the documentary when we're watching it. So go ahead and watch that. I have my little brief economics lecture that I do, and then go ahead and watch The Divide. Now it is on Roku. I have a link it's like literally a link to the Google search where I found it because they keep moving my documentaries, which I don't appreciate. So if you have Roku in your house, like attached to your TV, and you want to watch it in a more pleasant fashion on a bigger screen, feel free. It's there. I think it's also available on Tubi if you want to go over there. But Roku had closed captionings and stuff, so that's the link you have. And then after you watch that one, go ahead and post on your discussion board. And then I do have one more task for you this week. I have a video on why you should fill out your student opinion survey. And I am asking you to fill out your student opinion survey. Here's the thing, guys. We're not psychic. So if you don't like something about Central Penn, we don't know about that unless you tell us. And we want you to tell us. If you didn't like something, if you didn't like the way something was presented, if you didn't like anything really, this is how we find out. This is how we do better. So please fill it out. I'll have a whole thing for you, but please fill out your student opinion survey. You should have gotten your emails and such. Actually, you should be getting many emails about it because they never stop bugging you about it. But if you could do that this week, that'd be super. I'd really appreciate it. And then you're done for the week. And then we just have next week. And next week, I'm kind of planning to be kind of fun. I know my definition of fun and your definition of fun are not the same thing. But there's no textbook. There's no keywords, concepts. It's really just kind of wrapping everything up, making sure we all understand everything. End of the year questions, that kind of thing. So once you've done all of that, you are good to go for our next and last week of class. Can you believe it? I know, it's exciting. All right, I'll see you guys in your next video.